First things first, start with a fresh face. You don't need foundation because this is your foundation. First, you're going to take the contour, which is the darkish brownish color, and we're going to go underneath the cheekbones and around the edges of the face. This is going to create a really pretty sculpted look. We're going to go down the neck a little bit and then just around the jawline. Next, we're going to take it down the sides of the nose, just lightly. Now we're going to move to the highlight. This highlight you're going to place underneath your eyes and down the side of your nose. Bring it up on top of your cheek towards your temple. Then you're going to place it on your chin and bring it towards your jaw. And then right underneath your nose. Then go in between the brows and kind of just fan it out on your forehead. And then I like to highlight underneath my eyebrows and my eyelids. And then down the bridge of the nose. Next, you want to use some blush. I love to place it right on the apples of my cheeks and blend it up towards my temples. And I love to use it on my lips as well. It's such a pretty color and it's just so easy since the color is already there. Finally, I like to use a little bit of illuminator just to give you that candlelit glow. Use it right on top of your cheekbones. And I like to use it right on my brow bones as well. And just to add a little bit of sparkle, I also like to use it on the inner corner of my eyes. And to make it all look perfect and seamless and blended to perfection, use the perfector sponge in dabbing motions. And that is all, friends. If you would like to get color match for your own customized 3D foundation, go ahead and send me a message or leave a comment down below.